Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on ratios. In this video, we'll be looking at sharing using ratios. So we start with the first problem. Problem 1. Share 6.4 kilograms in the ratio 3 to 5. So in our solution, we are going to find the sum of the numbers in the ratio, which is 3 plus 5, giving us 8. Then it is this sum now we are going to use to share the amount, that is the 6.4 kilograms. So the first share is going to be the first number in the ratio, which is 3, divided by the sum of the ratio multiplied by the quantity to be shared, which is 6.4. So 8 goes here 1, 8 goes into 6.4 gives 0.8. 3 times 0.8 gives 2.4 kilograms. That is the first share. So the second share will be the second number in the ratio, which is 5, divided by the sum of the ratio 8 multiplied by the quantity to be shared. So 8 goes here 1, 8 goes into 6.4 gives 0.8. Multiplying this, we have 4.0 kilograms. So if you see now, if you add 2.4 and 4.0, you have 6.4 kilograms. Alternatively, to get the second share, after getting the first share, you could have just said 6.4 minus the first share, which is 2.4, which would have still given us 4.0. So that's all for problem 1. We then go to problem 2. For problem 2, the ages of 3 siblings, Ada, Aminu, and Adeola, are respectively 5 years, 7 years, and 10 years. They share 5,940 in the ratio of their ages. How much does each of them receive? So in our solution, we form the ratio of their ages, which is 5:7, then ratio 10. We then find the sum of the numbers in the ratio, which is 5 plus 7 plus 10, giving us 22. We can then go ahead to find the share of each of the siblings. So we now look at Ada's share is going to be the age of Ada in the ratio, which is 5, over the sum of their ratios, which is 22, then multiply by the amount they are to share, 5,940. 22 goes here, will give us 1. So 22 divides 5,940 gives 270. So 5 times 270 gives 1,350 naira, which is Ada's share. Then we go for Aminu's share. So Aminu's share is going to be 7, because his age is 7, over the sum of their ratio, which is 22, then times the amount they are sharing. Still, like here, 22 goes here, 22 goes here, 270. So we just 7 times 270 gives 1,890 naira, which is Aminu's share. And lastly, we have Adeola's share. Adeola's share is going to be 10 over 22, then multiply by 5,940. So 22 still goes here 1. Here we have it as 270. Multiply by 10 will give us 2,700 naira. So with this, we have successfully calculated how much each of them receive. So that's all for problem 2. We then go to problem 3. For problem 3, two traders shared certain number of oranges in the ratio 4:5. If the trader with the larger share got 90 oranges, how many oranges did they share? So in our solution, we have the sharing ratio to be 4:5, and the larger share is 90 oranges. The smaller share, we let it be X since it is not known. We can then connect this sharing ratio and the two shares to get the value of the second share. Remember, this ratio 4:5 can be written as fraction, which is 4/5. Then this is going to be equal to the smaller share there is X and the larger share is 90, so X/90. I have done this because this is the smaller ratio which goes with the smaller share, and this is the larger ratio which goes with the larger share. So we can then multiply both sides by 90, which means we are going to have X equal to 4/5 times 90. So 5 goes into 5 gives 1, and 5 goes into 90 gives 18. So 4 times 18 gives 72 oranges, which is the smaller share. So we then go ahead to find the number of oranges shared, which is the larger share 90 plus the smaller share. So 90 plus 72 gives 162 oranges, which is the number of oranges the two traders shared. And that's all for the solution of problem 3, and this is the highest we are taking in this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video. Also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until we come your way again, goodbye.